Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell on Wix. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing you need to know, like what happens when someone purchases the item from you on Wix. Where do you get the address so that you can ship that product to the customer. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys everything in a few seconds. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to Wix and you want to just search for wix.com on Google. And you want to log into your Wix account. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, after you log into your Wix account, as you can see here, you want to click on make sites or your website name. You will see it here in the top left. Okay. Now, and then after that, you want to click on go to all my sites, and it's going to take you guys. It's going to take you to all the sites that you have, like the list of sites you have on your Wix account. Now, you want to select which website you want to add the products so that you can start selling on that website, on that site. Then click on select and edit site. It's going to take you guys to Wix dashboard, as you can see here. Now, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on edit site in the top right. Now, after that, guys, you just need to wait a few seconds for the website to load. As you can see here, it's preparing your site. Just wait a few seconds. Alright, now after that, here you will find your own site, as you can see. Now, to start selling on your site, what you guys need to do, you want to click this plus button in the top left. And in the top here where it says search, you want to search for store, okay? As you can see, you want to search for store. And you want to click on Wix Stores. As you can see, it says here apps for your site. You want to click on Wix Store and then you want to click on open. Now, this is an app that came from the Wix itself. Okay, it's not a third-party app or something like that. You just need to click on add app or install app, something like that. Because I already added the app, that's why it says for me here add again. Click on it. And wait a few seconds. It says here adding Wix Stores. Just wait a few seconds and I'm going to show you guys how you can start selling. You can either do dropshipping if you want. For example, you can import products from AliExpress or Amazon. If someone buys that product from your Wix website, then you can go to Amazon or AliExpress where you imported the product, and then you can put the address of the customer instead of your address. Like if someone buys something from you on Wix, you go to the website where you imported the product, and then start buying it. But instead of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer, and then the product is going to be directly delivered to your address. Okay, hopefully you understand me, guys. If you're not understanding anything, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Now, if you scroll down, okay, guys, so after that, what you guys need, you will find a lot of products like they are with the prices in them. You just need to click on one of these products, okay, and then click on manage products. Okay, and after you click, guys, on manage product, that's what you guys need to do next. You just need to click on where it says you just need to select all these products first. Okay, all the products that you see here, you will find like 6 products or 7 products. You just need to select all them here, and then you want to click on more actions, and then you want to click on delete, and then you want to click on delete again. Now, what you guys need to do now is to start selling. You will need to add your first product. Click on add new product, and then click on whether you want to sell physical products or digital products. I'm going to sell physical product. And then what you guys need to do next, you want to enter here the title of the product. So for example, if you are trying to dropship from AliExpress, or you have the items on your house and you want to sell them on Wix, you can just come up with a title. But if you are dropshipping, you just need to find a product that you want to import to your Wix so that you can start dropshipping. Copy the title of the product, paste it here, and then you want to customize it. Paste it here, and you want to make it smaller, make it unique, and then you want to add here images. Click on add images. It will take you directly, guys, here, and then you can click on upload media. Then you want to click on upload from computer, and you need to upload the images of the product. Okay, so after you upload the images of the product, you just need to wait a few seconds as they're uploading. Click on add to page, and as you can see, this is the product picture. It's not the same as AliExpress. Okay, this is just an example. You need to download these pictures if you want to do dropshipping. And then the custom info, the name, which is the title of your product, the description. If you are selling a product from your house, you can come up with a description. If you are drop shipping, you can also come up with the description from a random website if it's similar to the product that you are selling. And then after you get the description, you want to enter here the price. Okay, 200, and here it says here the cost of the goods, how much money you are paying for the product. I pay, for example, 100. It says here the profit margin is 15%, 50%. And after that, you want to click on save. You can add a lot of things here, by the way. And as you can see, this is the product. Okay, it's going to be it's going to appear inside your Wix website. Now, if someone clicks, they can buy that product from you, and what you guys need, you will receive an address through your email, and then you can start shipping the product to the customer. By the way, you have to add the payment method inside your Wix in order to receive payments from buyers that will purchase the goods or products on your Wix website. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like. And if you want to add a payment method, you want to just click the video in the screen right now, and you will be able guys to add the payment method. But before you do that, please click on publish after you add the product. Click on publish in the top right, so that people will be able guys to find these products inside your Wix, and you will be able to buy them. Okay, hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I just need to wait a few seconds and the product is going to appear inside your Wix website. So drop a like I said, and see you guys in the next video.